Hello friends, today we are going to study next topic of thermodynamics, state function and path function. What is a state function? A state function is a property describes a particular state without depending on path taken to reach this state. Then what is a state? State is instantaneous condition of substance. Path function. Path function functions whose value depends on the path taken to get between two states are called path functions. See, this is a simple example for understanding path function. A and B are two cities 100 km away from each other. They have two roads in between them. First is 150 km length road and second is 200 km. The distance between these two cities is 100 km. But the roads 150 km and 200 km. Means if we have to go from A to B or B to A, displacement is same. Displacement same means this is a state function. But the distance you need to travel to get from A to B or B to A depends on which road you take. This is called as path function. If we take this road, we have to travel 150 km. We take this road 200 km. This is called as path function. Now see more details of a state function. A physical quantity is said to be state function if its value depends only upon the state of a system. State is an instantaneous condition of a system or substance and does not depend upon the path by which this state has been attained. For example, pressure, volume, temperature, density, enthalpy, etc. Then what are the examples of a path function? Heat and work. These two are most important examples of a path function. Now, how can we say density is a state function? Because a substance density is not affected by how the substance is obtained. See, we have to keep this rule in mind. In this property or value affected by path or the way taken to establish it, if answer is yes, then it is path function. If answer is no, then it is state function. What is a question we have to keep in mind? Is this property or value affected by the path or the way taken to establish it? We can say state functions are similar to integral. Integrals depends on only three things: function, lower limit, upper limit. State functions also depends on three things: property, initial value, final value. For example, the integral of enthalpy H, where to represent the initial state T1 represents final state T2 is given by T1 T2 H T dt. Then H T1 minus H into T0, which is similar to the equation of enthalpy change. Enthalpy change H final minus H initial.